Hello and welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. First casualty of mining ban in Sangay. Young truck owner in Sangay, Peter Vaz, aged 28 years, jumps off Codan-Pomburpa bridge. Mining dependents say situation will worsen if this state continues. Mineral law exporters call the loss figure of 35,000 crore notional, decide to file intervention petition in the Supreme Court, say that Justice Shah never heard their side of the story. Calvim bridge work to be complete before next monsoon. Codan-Pomburpa bridge work to commence within 6 months. CM announces during foundation stone laying ceremony of Calvim bridge. State celebrates Bakri Eid. World commemorates the principle of sacrifice. Prayers offered in mosques across Goa. Churchill brothers cruise to an easy victory over Mumbai Football Club in I-League. And Doda Ganesh all fired up for new Ranji season. Want to play against Karnataka, says Goa coach, targeting knockout stages in new Ranji format. Now the news in detail. The seriousness of mining ban is slowly coming to the fore. A truck owner in Sangay, Peter Vaz, aged 28 years, committed suicide due to financial crisis that have arisen due to the ban. Mining dependent people addressed a press conference in Panji and demanded immediate restoration of legal mining.
Peter Vaz, a 28-year-old truck owner from Uge, succumbing to the pressures of the mining ban, committed suicide on Friday night. Peter jumped off the Codan-Pomburpa bridge. Sources say that he had borrowed a loan from the bank in his mother's name to buy a truck. Peter got apprehensive due to the prolonged mining ban. Sangay police have registered a case of suicide.
आम्ही नोटीस केली एक बॉडी फ्लोटिंग जाताली अकोलीन जॉन वाज यांनी सांगले तो आपला भाव म्हणून ते नाव जो आसा पीटर जॉन वाज आणि कालच्यान तो धांक सुमार घरांसून भायर सरलो आणि ते सोदताले पण तेंच्यान पुलीस रिपोर्ट कांय दिवंक ना एपीएस टू सुसायड कित्याक आतां वयर आमी ब्रिजार जर पळयलें चप्पल वयर आसा पुलाचेर सो एपीएस तेणी पुला वयर सुटकी मारली आसतली आतां सकाळीं किंवा राती सांगूं जर बॉडी फ्रेश आसल्या कारणान सकाळीं जावंक शकता भाव म्हणटा राती अशें कांय जावंक नासलें घरांतून भायर सरलो
आता आमकां एक न्यूज कळ्ळें की सांग्यार एक ट्रक मालकान काल तेका बँकेन आपोवन व्हरोन बरेच तेजे हे केल्या बद्दल तेणी काल जीव दिल्लो आसा
ट्रक आवोची नांवार आशिल्लो आनीक म्हाका एक्झॅक्टली खबर ना बट ही इज अ ट्रक ओनर पण मायट बी अशी जर केस हे आसा जाल्यार अशी केसीस वाडपाक शकतात आनीक लोक जीव दिवपाचो किंवा गळफास दिवपाची परिस्थिती लोकांचेर गोंयकारांचेर येवपाक शकता.
Peter has another truck in his brother's name. Peter Vaz had recently approached the Sangay MLA Subhash Faldesai seeking help. Subhash had then advised him to have patience.
पीटर वाज गेले ते 1.5 वर्सां पयलीं म्हजे कडेन आयिल्लो आनीक तो ड्रायव्हर आशिल्लो आनी तो म्हणपाक लागलो की आपल्याक एक ट्रक घेवपाक जाय आनी आपल्या कडेन तितके फायनान्स ना आनी बँक आपल्याक तितकें रीण दिना त्या वेळार पीटर वाजाक म्हणून ताका हांवें एक सुरवातीच्या काळा भितर 1 लाख म्हणजे एडवान्स म्हणून दिले ट्रक बूक करपा खातीर एक 15-20 दिसां पयलीं तो म्हजे कडेन आयिल्लो आनी तो सांगपाक लागलो की पात्रांव म्हणपाक लागलो की आपूण एक कडेन चिऱ्याक खण आसा पळयला आपलो फ्रेंड एकटो कोण करता त्या चिऱ्या खणीक एक मशीन घालता आनी करता जेणे करून आपल्यालो ट्रक जो बेकार आसा त्या ट्रकाक भाडेंय मेळटलें आनी आपूण कितें तरी करतलो खूब इन्स्टॉलमेंट खूब वाडलेले आसात बँकेन लोन रिपेमेंट जायना गेले ते कित्येक दीस तो म्हाका फोन करतालो पूण फोन म्हणजे म्हाका येवन प्रत्यक्ष मेळोन ताणें सांगिल्लें म्हजे कडच्यान घेतिल्ले ते ताणें पयशे पे केल्ले कळ्ळें आनी परत एक फावटी म्हज्या बिझनसाक ताणें चलयलो ट्रक आनी तातूंतल्यान ताचें रिपेमेंटूय जाल्लो.
All Goa mining dependent people have mourned the death of Peter Vaz, and have requested the government to at least start legal mining to give at least some relief to the mining dependent people. They fear of law and order situations and more such suicides if mining doesn't begin soon.
जो आमचो 30 तारखेर मोर्चा आसलो तो आमी सध्या पोस्टपोन केला कित्याक आमकां अश्योरन्स मेळ्ळा की जी CEC कमिटी येतली ती फाल्यां येतली 28th आनी आमकां अशें अश्योरन्स मेळ्ळा की विल बी गॅरंटीड अपॉइंटमेंट्स विथ देम टू पुट फॉरवर्ड आवर इश्यूज.
म्हणजे त्या भशेन जर जालें ना 2 तारखेर जर अशें प्रोलॉंग जर जायत गेलें मुखार वचत रावलें न्ही जाल्यार वी विल डेफिनेटली विल बिग टाइम विल हैव अ मोर्चा एंड दैट विल बी ह्यूज मोर्चा. वी
इंटरव्यूइंग पेटिशन तेमी फायल करपाचें आसा फ्रॉम डिफरंट ऑर्गनायझेशन. दे विल बी वन फ्रॉम दिस mining dependent.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Prajot Pednekar.
Mine owners and exporters have raised strong doubts over the losses estimated in the Shah Commission report. Referring to the recommendations in the report, Goa Minerals Exporters Association and Mine Owners Association claim that the 35,000 crore loss estimated by the Shah Commission can be a notional figure. Associations have now decided to file an intervention petition in the Supreme Court. They claim that in spite of repetitive requests, Shah Commission did not give them any hearing.
35,000 crores is being talked about. Why the next line is not being talked about, it is still a mystery for us. For the actual loss to state, that means 34, 935, 92, 88, 000.00 is not the actual loss. For the actual loss from state, to the state, from where? From each mine and other illegal mining, it should be calculated. So that means the calculation beforehand, whatever has been given, that is not correct. It should be calculated based on ground realities. Obviously the question comes whether it is ground reality or not, whatever has been done. By a team of experts. Is it an indirect admission that they didn't have proper people with them in the team? I don't know. But it is written here, by a team of experts in the field with latest 3D laser equipments.
We will be filing an intervention application.
Associations claim that they were never heard by Justice Shah Commission even after they being the major stakeholders. They were denied appointment even after approaching the commission several times. The associations have shown full readiness to support the government and the involved agencies into the probe of the alleged illegalities.
आमका request केलो आमका मेळना. We had requested for a hearing. We were denied a meeting. We were not given a meeting. I'm not saying we had written as an association, and some of our members had written to the Shah Commission, which we did not get a hearing.
Giving the example of the 8th wonder of the world, the Taj Mahal, the mine owners through Google Images claim that the same methodology has been used by Shah Commission to highlight the encroachments, which could possibly be false.
So what we're only emphasizing is that initially the observations found by Justice Shah is based on the methodology as shown herein. And all of us are well aware that Google imaging can only give sort of a form of not factually relevant or factually usable, but at the end of the day it can pose an incorrect description of what actually the case is. Justice Shah has very clearly said this is my observation, but he says that at the outset, post this observation, this requires a detailed look into.
A reporter from Panji, Mahesh Ghadi, with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Government has assured that work of Calvim bridge will be complete before the commencement of next monsoon. The foundation stone for the bridge was laid on Saturday. Work of Codan-Pomburpa bridge will start within 6 months.
आता वो पूल 8-9 महिन्या भितर सोंपतलो. 8 महिन्या भितरूच सोंपोवपाक येता तो. पण ताका थोडेशे जमनीचे हांगा मातशी चिकण मातयेचो थोडोसो इल्लो प्रॉब्लेम असल्यामुळे फाउंडेशनाक पायलिंग करपाक मातसो इल्लो टायम चड लागूंक शकता म्हणून ते नो म्हणल्या. पण आमी 8 महिन्यानूच सोंपयता तो पूल. आनी आतांच सांगता फुडल्या 6 महिन्या भितर आनीक पूल चालू जावपाचो. हांगाच्यान सकयल सादारण एक 2-3 किलोमिटराचेर शाराव पोमुर्फा एक्झॅक्ट स्पॉट आयसोलेट जावन ना अजून तो चालू आहा करप. जागो खंयचो जावचो लोकांची घरां कमीत कमी मोडून शक्यतो एकूय घर जमता जाल्यार न मोडटा कारण थंय अडचण आहा. अशी गच्च घरां ना जाल्यार त्या घराच्या एकदम वयल्याच्यान वयल्या दोंगराचेरूच व्हरप काय कितें अशें तांचे इंजिनियर सध्या सोदतात. तांकां एक 15 दीस टायम दिला एक्झॅक्ट जागो सोदून काडपाक. तो एकदां सोदून काडलो की तोय पूल ताजें टेंडरींग जातलें आनी फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्या भितर 1 एप्रिलाच्या पयलीं सुरवात जातली.
आमकां आतां फेरी आसा आमकां जावं देवाच्या कृपेन आमकां पूल जाता. आमकां आमी चिंतूंक नासलें केन्ना आमकां पूल जायत म्हूण. आमकां काँग्रेसान पूल 10 वर्सां जालें पूल कोता आमकां पूल करूंकूच ना. आतां BJP सरकार येवन आमकां कितें बरेंपण दाखयलें ना.
हांगा सगलो उगत कोण वद्दें वर उरता चुकली जाल्यार हें पण हें आतां फ्री खंय जातलें न्ही. पूल जालो म्हणटल्यार सगळ्याक लोकांक बरें जालें. टायम वेस्ट जावचो ना.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.